I'm Jason, the world is yours. Today is December 25th, 2023. Merry Christmas here from Las Vegas, and we're gonna do a Amazon unboxing. As you can see, we have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think there's a 6, about 7 packages here from Amazon. I do know what this stuff is. This is stuff for my trip to Denver in January. So we're gonna see what we purchased. First package. Let's see what this is. Okay. So it looks like okay. As you can see, we have an Amazon extra large button-down button-down shirts and a nice white pocket square. How do we get this open? Okay. Okay. How do we get this one open? What is it? How do we get this one open? Look at this. There we go. Okay. So you can see the nice pocket square right here, right? Folded up nice and tight. I have a nice black t-shirt. A button-down t-shirt I'm gonna go with the pocket square. Obviously, you know, quick, do something like that. You know, probably not like this. Obviously, you probably go something like this. You know, a nice pocket square fit. So we're gonna throw this, not obviously exactly like this, but in this sense, we're gonna have a nice little white pocket square. I have this with a nice button-down black t-shirt I'm gonna go with. And then we have the button-down gray t-shirt, which I'm gonna go with. Let's open this up. Extra large, right? Best part about it is that obviously I try to stay true. It's a short sleeve, as you can see. It's not long sleeve. It's a nice short sleeve Amazon Essentials. It's like $12, right? In the pocket square, or pocket for the pocket square. I'm gonna go with a blue pocket square for this one. I have a cool idea of going like gray t-shirt, blue tie, and a blue pocket square, right? I got a blue Colorado hat to go with, so we're gonna go gray and blue with this outfit, right? That's Colorado. Okay. Next package is gonna be some kind of Amazon Prime. Oh, there we go. Look at this hat, right? How cool is that? Let's take it out so you can see it. Okay. So we got this hat, nice and warm. You know, I had to purchase a few items because I think it's currently like 22 degrees in Las Vegas. I'm going to Vegas in Denver. I'm going to Denver from Vegas. So I don't have a lot of, you know, hot, cold weather clothing. So I end up purchasing some cold weather clothing. Like I said, it's about 22 degrees currently in Denver. I'm going to Denver in about 2 weeks. But it's currently 22 degrees, so I'm going to be prepared for the nice cold weather with a nice, cool Colorado hat. Dope hat. Okay. Next. What's this? What is this? This looks like a wallet, I think. I have no idea. Can we get this open? I think this may be a wallet. Okay, it is. Purchase a new wallet, right? Just you know, start the year with a new one. Gonna throw credit card. Get this out of here. Get that out of there. Okay. Let me show you my old wallet. You can see why I have to purchase a new one, right? This is the new wallet. Nice. Got this showing. I normally throw the credit card right there with the IDs over here. Some library cards and Smith cards back there, and the double, right? That's my new wallet, but this is my old wallet. As you can see, do some tape on it, right? I was like, okay, it's probably time to get a new wallet. So purchase a new wallet. This was about, I can't remember the prices of these items, right? It's Christmas, who cares? But yeah, as you can see, I needed to get a new wallet, so purchase a new wallet. Okay. Next here is some kind of Amazon package. Let's see what this is. Ah, yes, the blue. Anything else in there? No. Now you can see we picked up a white pocket square, and then now we have a blue pocket square. It's a little darker than I thought it would be. Let me see. Oh, maybe that's on the outside. Okay. Yeah, this is nice. Look at that, right? Look at that pocket square right here. Nice. Right, so you have now you have the blue pocket square. Like I said, I'm gonna go with the blue pocket square basically in here like this. In a sense, you know. You got the blue pocket square. You got the blue tie. And then you're gonna have the blue Colorado hat. Perfect. Okay, okay. Let's go with you. This is a disaster. What is this? Whew. Okay, as you can see, we got a thermal set, extra large. Let's get this open. Thermal set, men's thermal set, extra large. I think I bought this exact set when I went to Iceland a few years ago. So this is, like I said, it's extra large, long sleeve, nice thermal. That's the t-shirt, thermal, and then the pants, thermals. Be wearing these under my top clothing, right? Nice extra large set. So I won't be too cold. You know, like I said, living in Vegas, I don't have too much cold weather stuff. So I had to buy some thermals. Where's the... What's over there? It sucks. Okay, now we have this, only 2 packages. Gotta represent. Look at this. Whew. How do you do this? Is it upside down? Yep. Look at that flag. You gotta rep the city. Right, got the state, Colorado. Look how cool that is. Huge fan of. Let's bring that up just a little bit. Check that out. The state flag of Colorado, right? Definitely a huge fan of state flags. So going to Colorado, I want to represent the state, so I'm taking that with me, of course. And then the last package, this one. Okay, like I said, we got some boots. Let me see. Size 13, black. Gotta pick up some boots. These are the boots. Some kind of Bruno Mark. All right. But look at that. Should do well in case it snows, in case it rains. These were like $16. These were mad cheap. All right, you can see that. Got some space right here to get the boots in. Okay. Let me try it on. Okay. Not bad. Not bad at all, right? Feel comfortable, nice and warm. Pretty affordable. Yeah, so that's everything, right? That's everything. I think a lot of good gifts. We got a nice boot. We got the Colorado flag. Got some pants thermals, extra large. Got some t-shirt thermals, extra large, long sleeves, of course. We purchased a nice gray button-down t-shirt with a blue pocket square, right? Extra large. There's a white pocket square somewhere, but I don't know where that's at. A nice new wallet. As you can see, let's compare the two wallets. That's the new wallet. Obviously, that's the old wallet. No more tape, right? There wasn't like a hole in it, but it was just, you know, it's just old. It's old school, right? But a nice new wallet needed. And a Colorado flag hat. How cool is that, right? Colorado, here I come. Let me know what you got for Christmas. I will be in Colorado January 14th through January 17th, about about 3 days, 3-4 days in Denver, Colorado for my birthday. Merry Christmas from Las Vegas. I'm Jason, the world is yours. And this was a December 25th, 2023 Amazon unboxing. Merry Christmas from Las Vegas. Let me know what you got for your Christmas gifts this year. And enjoy the rest of the year. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the $1 donation button. And please tune in to the next video on this channel. Thanks a million for watching.